how to stop your bit from slipping in your DeWALT chuck. So if every time you drill your bit is slipping, the first thing is to make sure that it's securely in the chuck. Then what a lot of people do is they hold this here and they tighten it up like that by hand. So do it in the drill mode, tighten it up, and they think that will give it extra security. However, what a lot of people find is that it still slips when they drill into something hard. So what I recommend is put your drill down, grab the top like this, some safety gloves, and twist towards you. This gives it one final secure setting. So that last twist, there you go, is actively secured your drill bit into the chuck, and now you should have much less slipping with your DeWALT drill. Hopefully that helps you stop your drill bit from slipping in your DeWALT drill. If you found that video helpful, smash that like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.